Protest demonstrations continue unabated, demanding justice for 𝐏𝐑𝐎 𝐓𝐄𝐒𝐓 and 𝐏𝐑𝐎 𝐓𝐄𝐒𝐓, who were brutally murdered by Kuki terrorists. Tanglai Manipur Kanbalup Oinam organized a sit-in at Oinam Bazaar today. Speaking on the sideline of the sit-in protest, Secretary of Oinam Bilup 𝐶H Anobi vehemently condemned the atrocities carried out by security forces against students carrying out peace rally demanding justice for the ruthless killing of 2 students by Kuki narco-terrorists. When the people of Manipur are praying for peace in the state, violence seems to be increasing daily. In the case of nude parade, ministers, MLAs, and central leaders raise their voices and portray Meiteis in a bad light across the globe, while the merciless killing of 2 young Meitei students do not seem to bother them at all, contended 𝐶H Anobi.
Nupi anigi bahirin sakhiba adudadi aikoigi leibiriba MLA minister kayana thokduna protest tawduna wakat mifam hamduna tawi aduga Bharat Sarkarna su madubu prithibi puma bahirin salhandana tamthiba Meitei ama oina uhan aduga ngasigi asok tamthina halaba Meitei simbu tamthina hatbagi video viral kaya salaba sidi prithibi da leibiriba amadi aikoigi India gi prime minister na amadi Amit Shah na tabidabra ubidabra haibase aikoi haijaningi aduga loina na aikoigi Manipur gi asigumlaba Sarkar asina aikoigi isasung singa sibu karimta makoi masani masuni khanbidrabra makoi masa masuda thoambo iragadi kari oigani asumna makoi le thokpa ngamgadra akoi mama oibi singdi sa singi video viral ado urubadagi tumba chaba changde khangba ngamde thamoi singa sida kari phawagi